Hi everybody, I'm Ann with Kai Dragon Gardening and Cooking Channel, and I'm happy to be here and I'm happy to see you. I'm glad that we're back, and today I want to talk to you about celebrating America by planting and doing really cool things in your garden with red, white, and blue. So I ordered some of these. They were not very expensive. They're just little metal flags and different types of red, white, and blue designs that you can add to any little flower or garden bed to give it a little bit of pizzazz. I really like mint and oregano and marigolds and some of the natural insect repellents in the garden. So I wanted to spice things up, and here's a sample of something cool you can do with just something simple like mint, and it'll look good in the garden and it gives you a great conversation piece. Another thing that you can do is we feed the birds a lot and the bees and pollinators and stuff. So when you're painting some of your old fixtures and things that you have outside, think about red, white, and blue. Paint a bird bath in red. Make some dragonflies blue. Make a little red, white, and blue sign that says Celebrate America. Just little things that you can do to show that you're celebrating America, because this is a celebration year. I made some fairy gardens, and as you can see here, fairy gardens are becoming very popular again. I did it a lot in the 70s. I did a lot with polymer clay and different things like that. And we're going to talk about all of that in another video where I'm going to show you a little more about fairy gardens. This design here, I've been using a lot for centerpieces on a thing that I'm doing at Patriotic for Peacefully Planted, and I've been using it. I did it at the spring garden fair and stuff, and people are really noticing the popularity of fairy gardens again. But the red, white, and blue theme was what I really liked about it. And you can get all kinds of red, white, and blue flowers. You can plant stuff from seed. Start early. It's not too late to start stuff indoors in the red, white, and blue theme, and then get it out in midsummer so you still have nice blooms going in late summer and into early fall. So,
and it's early enough you can be ready by July 4th to celebrate the country's birthday.
Yes, so keep all of that in mind. Another thing that I did was I handmade some wind chimes, red, white, and blue beads, and had a little flag display out of metal that I revamped it and hung some stars up on it and stuff, and the little pipe. And later on I'll be doing another video for you on making your own wind chimes using terracotta pots. So that's another thing. I'm going to be doing a lot of how to do videos this year, so you can add some pizzazz to your garden without always going to another store and make it yourself and do it the way you want. So another idea, little bird houses, red, white, and blue. Celebrate America by planting and plant some red, white, and blue in your garden this year. Another thing that you can do, and it's really neat, is your pots. Pots come in different sizes, so you can get your planters in all kinds of sizes and shapes. You can spray paint them in red, white, and blue, and then plant different types of flowers in there. And also put some bulb plants in there, so that way when the other plants do die back, you'll have new plants that'll come up early in the spring, and you can leave that display out for several years. So it's another thing to do with the red, white, and blue theme. I've also taken just a metal flower design that I made and repainted it and made the stem and leaves green, red flower, and then I took just a white Christmas bell, one of those little balls, for the center of the iris part of the flower. So another thing that you can do is if you have shepherd hooks with hanging plants, you can spray paint them as well, make them red, white, and blue. I have also taken metal flowers that I've repainted to make the flowers red and the stems green, and then I've taken the little white Christmas bells that you can buy really cheap at hobby stores and stuff, and use that for the center part of the flower. And then these flowers actually have a little pot built in, and rose moss comes in all different colors, and you can mix the red and white flowers in there, and I have painted those blue because they have a little bird on them. So there's different things you can do, different ways to decorate, and show that you're celebrating America by doing the red, white, and blue thing, and add some more beauty to your garden area. People walk through stepping stones. I've seen people paint different stones with different colors. Bee and butterfly watering dishes. Those come in different colors, but you can also paint them. There are so many different things that you can do.
Another idea that I can suggest that we don't do, but others might: white rock and red mulch, and then figure out something blue you want to paint, whether it's pots or buy some blue pots, or there's a lot of different combinations you can do, but that'll give you your red, white, and blue to celebrate as well.
And another thing that I will show you later on is how to make little bench toadstools out of terracotta pots. And since he did mention that the white rocks and the red mulch, you can spray paint your terracotta pots and the base blue. You're going to turn the pot upside down, put the base on top of it, and then you're going to use a hot glue gun to glue that together to make your little mushroom toadstool. And then just take white paint and dip it into another terracotta pot that's circular, and to make the little dots. And there you have your little mushrooms that you can set around, and it's a really cute idea. And then you have your red, white, and blue, and then you can put different colors of flower baskets or whatever you want on that. So gnomes, fairies, dragons, frogs, little toads. People decorate with all kinds of little knickknacks and stuff in the garden, and we do too, and we love it. Unique rocks, the little tiny ceramic birds that you can get. I love the stuff that you can get that's made out of resin because it lasts for a long time. So, and then I do a lot of stuff with polymer clay. So keep all that stuff in mind and use your creativity and go a little bit wild, but celebrate America and plant some red, white, and blue. Thanks for watching. Love y'all.